Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Now today we are going to start exercise 5.6. So before beginning with exercise 5.6, let us revise what we had gone through the last video for those who had gone in the class. So now first we'll recall triangle. Triangle means a closed polygon which is formed of three line segments. It's called a triangle. So three line segments are there. So in triangle, three angles, three vertex and three line segments will be there. Now after that we studied that total 6 type of triangles are there. 3 are based on sides and 3 are based on angles. So let us first recall based on sides. So in based on side, the first triangle that comes, that is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means a triangle in which all the sides will be having different measurement, then that type of triangle is called a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle as all three sides will be different, so all three angles will be also different. Then let us come to second one, that was isosceles triangle. Now isosceles triangle means a triangle in which two sides are equal. If two sides are being equal, any two sides it can be. So as I told you in the video also, or in the class also, that when two sides are equal, its two angles will be also equal. That is what isosceles triangle means. Then the last one, the third based on side, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all three sides are of same length. Then it is called an equilateral triangle. Apart from that, I have given one additional information like isosceles triangle, that equilateral triangle as three sides are equal, so its three angles will be also equal and its measure will be how much? I had already told in the class also and in the video also. Yes, it will be 60, 60 and 60. Means 60 degree angle each of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle के तीनों angle का जो measurement होगा, that will be always 60, 60 and 60. It will not change. Now let us come to the types of triangles based on angles. So in that, let us come first one, that was acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle means a triangle in which all the three sides of all the three angles of a triangle will be less than 90 degree. Then that triangle is called an acute angled triangle. Right angle triangle, a triangle in which one angle will be of 90 degree. Then that triangle will be called as right angled triangle. So if one is 90, तो बाकी दो जो हो जाएंगे, that will be less than 90. So दो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएंगे? Acute. Acute angle triangle, all the three angles will be acute. In right angle triangle, one angle will be 90, but the remaining two angles will be forming, that will be acute angle. Let us move to the third type. That is obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle, again one angle will be more than 90. So एक अगर more than 90 तो बाकी दोनों क्या होंगे? Less than 90. So एक obtuse angle में one obtuse angle will be there and two acute angles will be there. So see some new things which you came to know, that acute angle triangle, all the three angles will be acute angle. Right angle triangle where one angle will be 90 and the remaining two will be compulsory acute angle only. Obtuse angle triangle where one angle will be more than 90, so the rest two will become less than 90, means वहाँ पे दो acute होगा. तो right में दो acute, एक right, obtuse में एक obtuse और दो acute. So these are the basic things which we have studied about types of triangles. So those who had understood it properly, the exercise 5.6 you can do it by yourself without my help also. But still, let us start doing the first one of of exercise 5.6. In the first question, as it is given, name the types of following triangles. So first it is given triangle with length of side 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. Now say all the three sides are of different length. So the first answer will come as scalene triangle because all the three sides are of different length. Then second one, triangle ABC with AB is equal to 8.7 cm, AC is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 6 cm. See again in second one also in the question the length of all the three sides are different, so it will be which type of triangle? It will be again a scalene triangle. Third one, triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Means जो तीनों साइड का जो मेजरमेंट है that is given as 5, 5 and 5. इसलिए एक ही साथ में लिख दिया that PQ is equal to QR and QR is equal to PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Means all that three sides length is 5 centimeter. So that triangle will be called an equilateral triangle. Let us come to fourth one, triangle DEF with measure of angle. See, M angle D means you have to read it as measure of angle D. So measure of angle D is equal to 90 degree. It has been given. अब एक triangle जिसमें एक angle 90 होगा, so that triangle will be called as what? It will be called as right angle triangle. Simply just don't write it right angle triangle. No, right angle triangle. Then triangle XYZ with measure of angle Y is equal to 90 and XY is equal to YZ. देखो एक एंगल दिया है 90 डिग्री, means it is a right angle. It should be a right angle triangle. But उसके साथ और एक चीज भी दिया है that XY is equal to YZ. XY is equal to YZ बोला है, मतलब दो साइड इक्वल हो गए ना. If two sides are equal, so it will be which type of triangle? It will be an isosceles triangle. It's correct. It should be isosceles triangle. Now sixth one, triangle LMN with angle, measure of angle N is equal to 30, measure of angle M is equal to 70 degree, and measure of angle N is equal to 80 degree. Then it will be which type of triangle? Now see, all the three triangles are less than 90. If it is less than 90, so it will be which type of triangle? It will be an acute angle triangle. Okay, when all the three angles are less than 90, then the triangle will be called as an acute angle triangle. So that was your question number first. Then let us move to question number 2. Then when the following is being given, so let us find out three sides of equal length. Three sides of equal length means it will be called as an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is given as option E there. Second one, two sides are equal means it is an isosceles triangle. So it is which option? Option number G. See, just by reading the first line only you should know that what should be the answer. All three sides are of different length. तीनों side अलग होगी. So it will be called as an scalene triangle. So scalene is where? It is option number A. Fourth one, three acute angles. तीनों angle अगर acute है, so that triangle will be an acute angle triangle. So it is your option number F. Fifth one it is given one right angle. एक right angle है, तो obviously it will be an right angle triangle. So it is option number D. Sixth one, it's one obtuse angle, तो एक obtuse angle होगा, तो पूरा triangle will be called as an obtuse angle triangle. So that is your option number C. Seventh one right angle with two sides of equal length. देखो एक right angle तो है plus two sides of equal length as it was being given. So there the option is given isosceles right angle triangle. That is your option number B. Means right angle भी है and obtuse isosceles triangle भी है. So here also if you want to write it isosceles right angle triangle, if you want to write, so you can write. Okay, here isosceles right angle triangle also is the correct answer over there. Now question number 3. The figures are being given, and based on that we have to give it name in two different ways. Now two different ways means one based on sides and one based on angle. एक angle के base पे नाम देना है and one based on sides. So based on sides, if we see first one. Now name each of the following triangle in two different ways. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation. Just खाली observation से हमें पता चल जाना चाहिए that it is which type of triangle based on angles. ये acute angled है, right angled है या obtuse angled है. Otherwise the sides are being given. तो उसके base पे we can easily find out that it is which type of triangle based on sides. But based on angles, just by looking that we must find out that it is which type of triangle based on acute, right and obtuse. So let us see first one. So if first one you see the three sides, पहले side के base पे करेंगे. So one is having 8 centimeter, another is having 5, and third side is also 5 centimeter. So as two sides are of same length, so that type of triangle will be called an isosceles triangle. That is based on side हमने नाम दिया. अब देखो वो triangle के तीनों एंगल देखोगे, so it is less than 90, so it is also an acute angle triangle. So one based on side and another based on angles. How we have to name it? Second one, if we see 17, 15, 18, all three are of different length, so it is an scalene triangle. Then based on angles, अभी angles में देखो वहाँ पे box बना है. मैंने क्या बोला, right angle में हमेशा box बनाया हुआ रहता है. It means it is a right angle triangle. So now third one, two sides are given of same length 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So it will be an isosceles triangle. Now based on angles, if you see one of the angle is more than 90, so it will be an obtuse angle triangle. Fourth one, if I see here again both the sides are equal, two sides are being given equal, so it will be an again isosceles triangle, and one of the angle in that triangle is again with box marking, so it is right angle triangle. Then fifth one and sixth one you do it by yourself. It's very simple. So question number 3 is being over. The two sums you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 4. Try to construct triangle using a matchstick. Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks, 4 matchsticks, 5 matchsticks and 6 matchsticks, so that you can do it at your home as one activity. Remember, you have to use all the available matchsticks in each case. एक उसमें जितनी matchstick यूज की है उतनी matchstick आपको हर एक में यूज करना है, like that they have been told. So name the type of triangle in each case. If you cannot make a triangle, think of reason for it, so that you can do it as an activity at your home. But this whole exercise, exercise 5.6, question number 1, 2 and 3, you have to do it in the textbook only. Textbook में ही करना है. No need to write in your fair notebook. So by here we end the exercise 5.6. Now the next topic will be quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral you have to write many of the things because most of the things are not given in your textbook. So I will be providing you a PDF file or whatever I can. In that the definition, uski properties, everything will be written. Figures and explanation part I will do it here. तो आपको उसमें से definition और उसकी जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज होगी that we have to write down, और फिगर आपको वीडियो में से देख के ड्रॉ करना है and you have to understand it. Okay, so that I will provide you. Don't worry about that because it is not given in the textbook. अगर वो समझ में आएगा तभी जाके next exercise will be possible for you to do it. Quadrilateral पढ़ना है. Quadrilateral just short I am giving. In quadrilateral, जैसे triangle is a polygon, like that quadrilateral is also a polygon which is having 4 sides. Triangle को 3 थी, quadrilateral को 4. Then quadrilateral is divided into many parts. उसमें पैरेललोग्राम आता है, फिर पैरेललोग्राम में आता है स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस, और एक दूसरा जो आता है दैट इज ट्रेपेजियम. सो ऑल दैट थिंग जब आप लिख लोगे, मैं समझाऊंगा, एट दैट टाइम इट विल बी पॉसिबल. अदरवाइज अभी तो सब ऊपर से जा रहा होगा. आई आल्सो नो दैट. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. In the next video we'll understand about it, and before that, if possible, I will provide you the PDF file or the definitions, image, whatever is possible. So till then, thank you.